Today we are going to study worksheet 16. Worksheet 16. The sun and other stars. The sun and other stars. So today we have to see the worksheet 16. Fill in the blanks. The Mercury is the closest star to us. So you have to fill here. The Mercury is the closest star to us. So first you have to fill Mercury. The Mercury. First A. Fill in the blanks. A. Fill in the blanks. Now see the first. The Mercury is the closest star to us. So first you have to fill Mercury. First is Mercury. Mercury is the closest star to us. Now next, the sun and its family of 8 make up the solar system. So what do we fill here? The sun and its family of 8 planets. The sun and its family of 8 planets. Second one, planets. Now third, the planets move in a fixed path called the planets move in a fixed path called the orbit. Third, you have to fill the orbit. And fourth, as the only planet where life exists. So what will you answer? The Earth is the only planet where life exists. So second, fourth, you have to fill the Earth. Now fifth, you see group of stars making patterns or shapes are called. Now fifth, you see the groups of stars making patterns or shapes are called constellation. Called constellations. So this is the fill in the blanks. Once again you listen. First, the Mercury is the closest star to us. Second, the sun and its family of 8 planets make up the solar system. Third, the planets move in a fixed path called the orbit. And fourth, the Earth is the only planet where life exists. And fifth, groups of stars making patterns or shapes are called constellation. So this is the fill in the blanks. Now you see, tick the right answer. B, you see. Take the right answers. Tick the right answers. Now see the first. The sun is in the center oblique corner of the solar system. So second, you see the sun is in the center oblique corner of the solar system. Two words are written here: center and the corner. Center oblique corner. So which will be correct? Center is the correct answer. The sun is in the center of the solar system. Now next you see all planets have light oblique no light of their own. So third, second you see all planets have light oblique no light. You know that planets do not have light. Planets do not have light. So which will be correct? No light will be correct. No light will be correct answer here. Now you can see here if with the help of this is, and here correct answer will be here, corner no light. And third, next we have to write third you see there are 8/9 planets in the solar system. 8/9 planets in the solar system. And fourth, you see pole star is also called Great Bear Dhruv Tara. Great Bear and fifth you see Saptarshi is a constellation oblique planets. So now see third, once again you see third. There are 8/9 planets in the solar system. Initially it was 9 planets. Initially there was 9 planets in the solar system. Now one planet has removed from the solar system. One planet is removed. So now today there are 8 planets. So 8 planets will be correct answer. So there are 8 planets in the solar system. Now see next, pole star is also called the Great Bear oblique Dhruv Tara. So as you know that it is also called as Dhruv Tara. Now see next, Saptarshi is a constellation or a planet. So here constellation is the correct answer. Constellation is the correct answer. So you can write this. So once again you listen. The sun is in the center of the solar system. Second, all planets have 8 all planets have no light of their own. And third, there are 8 planets in the solar system. And fourth, pole star is also called Great Bear. So pole star is also called Great Bear oblique Dhruv Tara. So Dhruv Tara is the correct answer. And fifth, Saptarshi is a constellation oblique planet. So here constellation is the correct option. So now see next. T for true and F for false. T for true and F for false. So this is the C. Now you see this is C. T oblique false, true and false. C you see. First, the sun is a star. The sun is a star. This is true or false? This is true. Sun is a star. This is true. And second, you see, the sun revolves around the earth. The sun revolves around the earth. No, it is incorrect. Second is the false. And third, you see, on a dark clear night, we can see about 6,000 stars in the sky. We can see about 6,000 stars in the sky, as it is correct. So third is also true. And fourth, you see, many stars are bigger than the sun. Many stars are bigger than the sun. It is correct. It is correct. Many stars are bigger than the sun, but they are looking smaller than the sun due to the distance. Orion and Hunter is a constellation. Orion and Hunter is a constellation, as it is true. So this is true. So you can revise today. Fill in the blanks. Tick the right answer and true and the false of lesson 16. Thank you.